Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the spirit key in this Roblox. So the spirit key is the only way you can access the supernatural loot hidden in the deeper, and here I'm going to show you how you can get it. Okay, so first, to get the key you need to go to the spirit roots, and in here of course you need to complete some quests to get the key. You can just go to the spirit roots, and here you can find the golems to start the quest in acquiring the key. You can just go right here until you see the cave, this cave in here, the spirit root caves, and you'll see another cave in here on the left. You can just go inside this entrance here, and you'll find the golems cave. So this is where the golems hidden. You can just interact with it and start the quest. So you need to complete around 4 quests, 3 or 4 quests. Like you need to catch some fish like the eye fish. You need to also catch some mutated fish like the rooted mutated fish, spirit, and also the fairy mutated fish. And here, after you complete the quest and you get the key, you can just go left from the golem's cave, and in here you can just follow the directions. You'll see this yellow dot, so you can just follow it to find the ruins that you can unlock with this key, the spirit key. So just go inside and turn right from here, and in here you'll see the like the gate that you can unlock with the spirit key. After that, you can open the treasure chest inside and get the rewards. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.